announced, a tire has been launched into Hot Wheels City for the very first time.
Don't worry, dude. You probably won't get in trouble.
Whoever caused this crazy chaos can bet they are in big trouble. Oh no, it's coming straight for me.
Well, it was nice knowing you. Not. No way, Dash, that you stay at camp after this.
I can't get kicked out on the first day. I need to stop that tire before it wrecks the whole city. Well, you're not gonna do it alone.
Agreed. I'll stay here and work the track builder.
And when you fail, Sidecar and I can laugh in your face.
We gotta put the pedal to the metal. Hot Wheels racers, let's get that tire. I want a racer fast enough to catch that runaway wheel. I choose the GT Scorcher.
I need a car that can bounce that tire back home. I choose the Roger Dodger.
And speaking of bouncing, this truck will get me big air. I choose the Ball Jump Truck.
Can get into high gear, we got the drive here, revving up. Oh, no,
You can do this.
let's race. Can get into high gear, we got the drive here, revving up. Oh, no, imagination's here on track to take first place. Hot Wheels, let's race.
Let's race.
Let's race.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Oh, now where are those waffles? What's an ultimate garage hero gotta do to get some waffles around here?
I see the tire.
Coop, let's catch it before it gets away.
You don't have to tell me twice. Ah, this was way easier in my daydream. Ah, now I know how my underwear feels in the washing machine. Woo-hoo!
Are you okay?
Yep, just a little spun out. The tire's gonna destroy the city!
It feels like we're never going to catch that tire.
We have to try. A Hot Wheels racer always says, challenge accepted. We won't be Hot Wheels racers if the tire won't stay on the track.
The track builder. That's it. Brights, come in. This is Spark. Brights and Squeakers here. We need you to change the configuration of the tracks to keep the tire on it. Roger that, Roger Dodger. Squeakers and I are on the job. Track builder, go! Oh, there it is, Squeakers. Let's catch it before it does any more damage. We did it, Squeakers! One runaway tire heading your way.
Racers, let's roll. Keep your eyes open. Bright should be getting that tire to us any second. There it is! Okay, team, now's our chance. Okay, let's catch that tire Hot Wheels style. Oh yeah! Time for some big air. On your left, Spark.
Coop, one runaway wheel coming away.
I got it now. Right, part of the track is missing.
Axel, you're ruining the track. Coop's gonna fall off.
Looks like your time at camp has officially stalled out, Coop.
Oh no!
He's not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
There must be something we can do.
We tried everything. We tried racing,
The track builder?
the power of friendship. Wait, power. What did Dash say about power?
Every car has a special power.
Every car has a special power. That's it. Okay, GT Scorcher, let's see what you got. Super speed